Hello. So let's just make this video quick. First, an image. Make sure the image is a PNG or a JPEG. I like PNGs because I think they're much better because they allow transparency and all that stuff, like transparent images. So you know that. And two more extra things. You're gonna need a program called VTF-Edit, like I already got to install here, and an add-on called Extended Spawn Menu. Yeah, you're just gonna need that. All right, let's just go by. Oh, hold on, that was weird. Sorry. All right, so go to your hard drive. It should be here or whatever it's called. Go to Program File, Steam Apps, come in. Gary's Mod, Gary's Mod again, Materials, and once you're here, now make the new file. Call whatever you want, like new material. All right, now that that's done, open up VTF-Edit. And what you want to do is press the file, import, pictures, example, which I will be using. So just find your image. Make sure that the pop-up is exactly like mine. Pause the video to copy me, I guess. Now that you have the image, it should be okay. It's not here. So what you want to do is press the hard drive, go to that new file that you just made in Gary's Mod, C Maps. Again, common, Gary's Mod, and materials. There you are. Open that bad boy up, and then name it. Now, save this for later because you're gonna need it for a path. Now, go into your new file, and it should appear here. Yeah, it did appear. You might want to close the original. So yeah, it did appear here. All right, good. So now what you're gonna want to do is create a new VTM file. Create it. Yeah, just leave it the same name and save it. Now, as you can see, a new material was made. That is going to tell the game how the texture should be reacting. Now you should close it and open it. Open this. What you should do now is delete it and copy and paste the text that you can see in the Steam guide or YouTube description. I think I should have this documents. Alright, I got it. Which I already have it, but don't worry, you should have it in the description or guide, wherever you're watching this from. And where are you? Okay. Alright. And what you're gonna want to do is get rid of. Oh, damn it. You know what, I'll just do it manual. Just get rid of the custom path part. And what you're gonna want to do is go back to your original image and press create. Then copy that. Don't do anything, don't press create anything, don't do that. And you can close it. And now paste it in there into the VTM, and there you go. Now you should be pressing save. And that's pretty much it. Now all we just gotta do is test it out in Gary's Mod, in which I shall just, yeah, I'll just skip this part out so you don't have to see all the loading and junk. Alright. We're in Gary's Mod. Good. Now what we gotta do next is, this is where the addon comes in. You should notice that the part in the bottom has opened up. So what you gotta do now is go to games. Wait, first press the plus on the browse materials. Go to games, Gary's Mod, and yeah, there's your file. Press the whatever you made, and now you can test it on any prop. Any prop works. Oh shoot! All right, like this one. Yep, it works. And there you go.